Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Hanging out here today at Hollywood Studios. It's time for some lunch and a Medling World food review right here at ABC Commissary. Come on and check it out. First of all, let's have a look at the menu, and then I'm gonna tell you a little something about this place. Something very personal to me. All right, so here's the commissary today, 10 to 8 p.m. Shrimp tacos, Mediterranean salad with chicken, California burger is a vegan burger, chicken club sandwich, a couple desserts there. Oh no, that is a adult beverage, watermelon margarita, and then the strawberry lemon cheesecake. You can do mobile order, or they do have counter service order. The very interesting part about this particular quick dining restaurant is this is the last position I held as a cast member here at Disney, and I have not been in since I left the Disney World company. Yes, I worked here briefly at this location. I worked at Disney a little over a year as a whole. In a couple other positions I did resort sales, but I also did try food and beverage. And I'm going to talk a little bit about my experience in here as we eat. But no, I have not been in since. But I will tell you, those menu items have all been there, and it's been 3 years. 2 years, I think, since I've worked here. So let's go see what we're going to get. So outside menu is not the complete menu, but I can tell you this was part of the menu when I worked here. The pork tacos were part of the menu when I worked here. So those are the two things that were not shown outside and still part of the menu. This menu has not changed then for at least 2 years. They also have a kids menu, chicken salad sandwich, which actually is pretty good. One of the cool things was, as I have my readers on here, guys, when I worked here, when we went through our training, we were able to, each day of training, we were able to eat from the menu, and we had to eat everything. They had us eat every single meal that was available, every chicken, you know, all the sandwiches, and even the kids ones. So we were able to eat everything. That way we had an idea of, if people asked us, hey, how is it? What do you think? We were able to opinionate. That was one thing that I thought was positive about this working experience. Not much else other than that. Now, listen, I'm not saying I was a model employee here. I already was kind of like wanting to leave the company. It wasn't a position I was looking for. I kind of was, you know, when I left resort sales, they said, no, listen, don't leave the company. We have some other things you can do, because I really struggled in resort sales with leadership and not really being able to know who my leaders were when I had questions and things. So I kind of felt abandoned in that job. And part of being a leadership is what's the word? Leader. A leader is supposed to lead you. And so I didn't have a lot of direction. And I started to have a lot of stress with it. So I was like, oh, let me get out of here. And then they said, oh, this will be a little easier. But my attitude towards Disney really didn't change as a cast member. And the company wasn't what I thought it was working for it. Now, as a guest, I do enjoy coming here. And I know what I just said about being a cast member. I'm sure that's not the same opinion every cast member has. That's just my own opinion and my own experience. I have a whole vlog about it. But let's have a look what we're gonna get. I have tried everything here. This is pretty good. It's like a buffalo grilled chicken cheese sandwich. It's pretty good. In fact, the kids one, the chicken salad sandwich is very good too. The California burger, all right. This one is pretty good. Actually, most of the things here are decent. They are all not too bad. So we're gonna have a look. We'll see what we're gonna get, and then we'll talk about it. Let me just show you guys the adult beverage here in the back. I'll just kind of scan over it. And then some of the other things they offer. I've really started to enjoy some of the Joffrey's coffee, the hot. You let it cool down for about 5 minutes, it tastes better. I don't know why, that's just what it is. I only like their hot ones though. I don't like the cold ones. And when I say the cold ones, I'm talking about like their lattes, iced lattes, things like that. All right. But now is the time, Jake. And Jake, you said you wanted the shrimp tacos?
Mm-hmm.
And you know what, Jake? I may go with that buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwich. It's not too bad. Now, Jake, this does come with black beans, which I know you do enjoy. So I think you're going to like it. If I remember right, that was a good choice. And then maybe the buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwich for me. Yeah, let's do that, Jake. And let's give them a very good Medling World food review today. We're going to order, and we'll be right back with the food. Jake, there you go. You got the black beans. You got the Spanish rice. You got the shrimp taco. And then, of course, I got the buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna have a few bites. I'll let you know how good it is, guys. I want to remind everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. I like to dip in the buffalo sauce. Fries, these ones maybe not cooked quite as long. They're a little mushy still on the inside. Not great. Okay, but not great. But Jake, so far, what are you thinking? Good? Yeah, I like mine. I like the sandwich. The fries are a little mushy on the inside, but not terrible. We'll go ahead and eat a little bit more. Then we'll come back with some final scores. Another cool thing about this was Sci-Fi Dine-In, which is actually all connected. This is all one. So this is a little something maybe not everybody knows. The kitchen is shared. So it's a shared kitchen between the Sci-Fi Dine-In and here at the Commissary, ABC Commissary. So it's one big kitchen, so everybody's in there working and cooking. And I've been nibbling a little bit off Jake's too. The shrimps are excellent. I do remember the food was good here, Jake, and I think I stand by it. We're not quite done yet. We're still working on it, but I'm happy with the meal. And I know I had to make my decisions, not, to leave Disney. And a lot of it had to do with just mental health, but I'm bringing back at least the experience of working here, and it's not bothering me, but, in any kind of, way. I figure I show you around a little bit, guys. Actually, I got to throw away some garbage here. Nice cast members here helping out. Thank you very much. That's what I like about Disney. There are some great cast members here. And that's why I always make it the point that my experience doesn't represent the entire company. It represents me. But I was always friendly to customers just because I wasn't having a great time. But yeah, you can see here, and then if you were going to do a regular order, you can come up this way. And you can do a regular order up here. And if you have your mobile order, it just tells you which window to pick up. Over on that side, regular order. Let's head outside and let's give our final review with our scores on lunch today. So for me, guys, I did enjoy mine. I really did. I thought it was good. I like it because it's different. It's not always something I eat. The fries could have been better, but by no means were they bad. I always do kind of the McDonald's. You guys know, watching is the McDonald's baseline 7.8 is my score on a McDonald's French fries. These were a bit lower though. These did not exceed the McDonald's baseline. They're below, and they're 7.2. 7.2. Mushy on the inside. Didn't like that. That's what happens when you have those kind of steak fries. You got to cook them just right. Jake, mine was good overall though. Much better than a 7.2. I'm gonna give it an 8.3. I really enjoyed the lunch. Everything tasted fresh, and it was good. Because I did have some of yours. It was excellent. And Jake, what about you?
My meal, it wasn't the best, but also wasn't the worst. It was just overall decent. It's like a 7.8.
A 7 what?
7.8.
7.8, so still not too bad. I think, Jake, one of the things I noticed, now correct me if I'm wrong, I think the way your tacos seem to have so much in it, they were kind of falling apart when you were eating them.
Yeah.
And that is also not a good experience when you're eating. You want to be able to hold that taco and bite it and have all those ingredients, because I had to snag a couple of his shrimp. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World today. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. Tons more coming. Tons more coming from all of the parks here in Central Florida. And of course, the Medling World Friend Cruise. We booked a cruise. It's September 1st. The Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Sea out of Miami, Port of Miami. We're going to be celebrating Jake's birthday on that cruise. And our milestone of when we hit 10,000 subs, now over 11,000 subs. We do have a few people that have booked. It's just an open invitation. Whoever wants to come, come. If there's 1, 2 people, come. Great. If there's 100, great too. But we just wanted to open it up because people are asking about, hey, Medling World, we'd love to cruise with you. So I know it's not the greatest time of the year. It's right after summer. I think it's actually Labor Day is when we embark on the ship. But that was a schedule we had to work with. Let's see how it goes. I know we're going to have fun either way. And last but not least, Jake, see ya!